Hey everybody, look at this, YouTube. Come here. I caught a bird out in the yard, and now he's loose in my house. Oops. Yeah, I will. Oh, come here.
He's trying out the door.
Come here.
Run back out.
Come here.
He's gonna go under something. You're not gonna be able to get him.
Oh, I'll get him.
Take him
Look
back
at this.
outside. Go out the back door.
I don't know what kind of bird this is, but he's cute. And I like him.
Back door.
And I'm gonna name him Ed. Yes, his name is Ed. He's Ed the bird. And maybe he'll come back. Yeah. You're very cute.
Yeah, I wasn't afraid.
And look at his chest. He looked like damn. He looked like a damn. He looks like an important bird that everybody would know about. Oh, would you stop shaking?
Now let him go.
I'm not gonna let him go. Look at my wife, scared of a baby bird.
Go back.
Alright, YouTube.